This is the AI News Flash for April 30th, 5 a.m. UTC. First up, AI coding leader Cursor released a public beta TypeScript SDK for developers. It's a foundation that lets coding agents be invoked programmatically from CI/CD pipelines and backend services, not just the desktop app. The subagent feature allows the main agent to delegate tasks to named subagents with their own prompts and models. Sandboxed VMs give each cloud agent a dedicated virtual machine with the repository cloned and dev environment fully configured. The .cursor/hooks.json file embeds guardrails and custom logic. Pricing is token-based pay-as-you-go, making execution costs transparent. Enterprises can self-host for confidentiality while embedding AI coding capabilities into their own products. Alongside Claude Code and Codex, the AI coding market is rapidly shifting from interactive editors to programmable API-first platforms. Next, Andrei Karpathy, who coined the term vibe coding, candidly admitted to Business Insider that AI-generated code is still awkward and gross. The former OpenAI co-founder and former Tesla AI director said, while 80% of his own code is now AI-generated, the errors have shifted from syntax mistakes to subtle conceptual errors, with models making wrong assumptions on the user's behalf and running with them without checking a structural flaw. Simon Willison also warned that vibe coding your way to a production code base is clearly risky. Karpathy has recently shifted toward using AI more for knowledge management than code generation, evolving the concept toward what he calls agentic engineering. The flagship advocate of AI coding, acknowledging its limits, reaffirms that human review and AI-generated code quality assurance remain industry-wide structural bottlenecks. Third, Amazon Web Services officially launched a new suite of AI applications focused on supply chain forecasting and hiring support. Built on the Bedrock platform, this is the concrete implementation of AWS's agentic AI application platform strategy. It packages enterprise supply chain demand forecasting automation and candidate screening and interview support into ready-to-use SaaS offerings. This extends AWS CEO Matt Garman's Fortune interview message about a fundamental rewrite of SaaS and capturing value at the AWS infrastructure layer. Together with the $50 billion OpenAI partnership, it forms a key pillar of AWS's enterprise AI offensive. Against Microsoft Copilot Studio and Google Cloud Agent Space, the enterprise AI agent market's SaaS disruption and value layer redistribution has now fully kicked off in a three-way hyperscaler battle. Last, UMass Chan Medical School published a groundbreaking study showing a real-time AI platform diagnoses cancer more accurately than traditional biopsy. Unlike pathology diagnosis that requires days of waiting after tissue sampling, intraoperative real-time image analysis identifies cancerous tissue instantly, with both sensitivity and specificity exceeding conventional biopsy in clinical trials. With over 115 FDA-approved medical AI devices now on market, this joins AI pathology analysis, lung cancer diagnostic tools, and breast cancer screening as a turning point where AI diagnosis expands from auxiliary tool to primary diagnostic method. Following NVIDIA's Hop AI Foundry and Curie AI mammography approvals, breakthrough cases are mounting in clinical AI deployment, overcoming the data integration and workflow embedding bottlenecks that long limited medical AI scaling. That's all for this AI News Flash.